Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Eclipse IDE completely. To start, open the terminal. Run the on-screen command sudo apt install to install JRE. You must enter the password and then the letter ISE to confirm this process. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Next, you are going to download the Eclipse zip file by running the command we showed in the WGT terminal. After this, you are going to unzip the file using the tar command on the screen. After this, access the folder created and with the command cd eclipse installer, as we see on the screen, you will execute the installation of Eclipse. As you can see, the wizard will open. You must select what type of environment you are going to use. Now you are going to click on the Install button to install that selected Eclipse model. We will wait for this process to finish. You must accept the use of the Eclipse license. Then, when the installation is finished, you are going to click on Launch to load the environment. You can select the working directory to continue. You will now have access to Eclipse and all its features on Linux. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.